Yes, be ready. 3, 2, 1, start. The petitioner contends that, in spite of her requests and written representations, no FIR has been lodged and has therefore approached this court under Section 482 CRPC for a direction to the respondents number 123 to register the FIR on the basis of the representations made by her. Stop. He has also mentioned the names of certain persons who were inquired by the local police, as also the inquiry by the CIA staff of Patiala. Stop. According to deponent, as no clue could be found regarding the identity of the culprits, a report that the case has been untraced has also been prepared. Stop para. Learned counsel for the state contends that the father of the deceased himself has given the statement on the basis of which FIR number 99 dated 16th November 1995 came to be recorded. Stop. A copy of the statement has been produced, annexure R2, a perusal of which shows that Santaram has affixed his left thumb impression, and even the counsel for the state is only able to say that this complaint must have been written by some police official. Stop. A reading of this shows as if the deceased Bhola Singh had died as a result of some accident. Stop. It is on the basis of this complaint that report has allegedly been sent to the court concerned, as if the case was untraced. Stop para. The learned counsel for the petitioner rightly contends that when four representations have been sent either by the petitioner himself or along with her father-in-law or by her father-in-law alone, in some of which the petitioner has specifically stated that respondents number 4 to 6 have murdered her husband, and in such circumstances where the representations show the commission of a cognizable offense, it is the duty of the police to have registered the FIR and then investigated the case. Stop. On the contrary, the police appears to have acted in the reverse direction. Stop. Their contention that they have investigated the case, found it to be untraceable, and therefore have not lodged the FIR is wholly unacceptable. Stop. They are bound to register the FIR when there is the commission of a cognizable offense. Stop. Therefore, this petition deserves to be allowed. Stop. Accordingly, this petition is allowed, and the third respondent, SHO Police Station, Sherpur, is directed to register the FIR on the basis of the representation annexure P2, investigate the case, and proceed further in accordance with law. Stop and over.